In this video today, we're going to be talking about the local broom, the local broom. This is a very important information about the local broom. Brooms are commonly used in our homes and shops. Here are some of the important information you need to take note of when you are using it. Number one, do not use the same broom used in sweeping the inside of the house to sweep outside or vice versa. When you do that, you bring in bad energies from the outside of your house to your inside. Number two, when you use the local broom to kill wall gecko or spider, do not use it to sweep the inside of the house again. Wall gecko and spider are spiritual agents used in monitoring people. They are monitoring agents. They carry bad energies with deep spiritual influence. Once you notice either of these creatures in your room or anywhere in the house, do everything possible to kill it. Do not let it escape. If it does, it will go and get more powers against you. Once you kill it with the broom, throw the broom out or burn it. Number three, if you use your broom to remove cobwebs, do not use the same broom to sweep the inside of the house again. Throw it away or burn it. Cobwebs are spiritual instruments used to block someone's ways. It is good you remove cobweb in your house at least once in a month or once in a week. When you do this, it sanitizes your house spiritually and physically. Number four, do not throw or do not borrow the local broom from anyone, or do not borrow anyone. Do not borrow it from somebody and do not give it to somebody else. Okay? Do not give it to somebody to sweep your house or shop. Do not also borrow broom from anyone to do same. If you borrow someone your broom by whatever circumstance, don't use it again. Otherwise, you will bring in bad spiritual energies to your house or your shop. Please get another broom. Number five, always keep your broom standing vertical like this. Okay? Let it stand vertical on the wall. Let it rest on the wall and not horizontal. Don't put it like this. Put it like this. When you do it like this, it keeps bad energy away from your house or your shop. Number six, if you always have bad dreams or you don't remember your dreams, always keep your broom standing, standing upside down like this at the back of your door before sleeping. Number seven, if you eat or have sex in the dream, always keep your broom under your pillow, then sleep. Okay, you put it under your pillow and you sleep. Number eight, whenever you buy a new local broom and you want to purify it, just sprinkle some salt on the floor and use the broom to scatter it. Okay, then use it to pack the salt and then pour it away. Okay, so there you have it. These are very powerful informations that you should know about the local broom. Local broom is very powerful. When you use them right, you are sure that your problems will be solved. They are very powerful. Okay, go right ahead and start doing it the way I said it. All right, if you love this video, give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, and share this video with your friends and family. For more spiritual videos to help your life, watch these videos over there. They will definitely help you. All right, thank you so much for watching. You know I love you so much. I will talk to you in my next video. Until then, stay safe and blessed.